You no longer need to pay an arm and a leg at the market. Make this cream at home with just 2 ingredients. Starting with a pan, add 200 milliliters of milk. Let's allow this milk to heat up until these bubbles form. On the side, don't let it get too hot like this. Let's turn off the stove and add 200 grams of butter. Here I am using unsalted butter and we are going to mix. Mix until the butter fully melts like this. At this point, it's perfect. We just need to take it. Let's now move on to a blender. Let's cover it and allow it to blend for at least 5 minutes. Once that's done, let's take it and now transfer it to a container. We just need to cover it and refrigerate. For at least 24 hours after that, you can use your fresh cream. You can now use your fresh cream whenever you desire. You can do whatever you want with it, like making whipped cream or ice cream. It's your choice, or if you want. Guys, you can also remake your butter. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's another recipe from the amateur in the kitchen. A big hug until next time, and thanks.